Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to make shape transparent or 50% opacity on Google Slides. So for example, I want to make these shapes. For example, I want to create this rectangle shape on Google Slides, and then I want to make it transparent 50% or 30%, let's say. Usually if you create color here, you can fill the color by custom color. So you can click this plus icon, which is the custom color. You click custom and then find the color that's suitable for you. For example, I want to make it blue. This is the light blue, and then I want to make it 50% of transparent. Here the transparency is shown the option, so click OK. Now see, this is transparent box on Google Slides. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put in a comment below. Thank you.